hope is not silence. It is the choice to stand without spectacle, to speak without cruelty, and to resist without becoming what we oppose. In times when fear is amplified, and truth is bent for power, quiet hope brings facts, memory, and care back into the light. It refuses intimidation. It rejects dehumanization. And it believes that courage rooted in humanity endures longer than force. We stand peacefully, firmly, and together. Because tyranny feeds on noise and despair, but it falters when met with clarity, dignity, and shared resolve.